Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters of ScottieDTV. But I was at the 2020 NSRA Street Rod Nationals in Louisville, Kentucky. And although I shot several features there, and even though it was the COVID year and it was a down year, there was still too much to shoot, too much to cover that I had time for. So I put some walk around, some walk by videos, some clips, you know, not full features, just a few seconds of stuff I thought was cool. A big shout out to the NSRA for putting the show on, man. After everybody canceled all year, it was so good to get out and see everybody having a smile on their face and a good time. So anyways, let me get the camera turned around, check it out.
The giveaway car. I did a nice job on that. It's always like a 32 done by a shop, and then people give to it, you know, whenever the vendors supply the parts. And this truck is going to be at the ScottieDTV 2020 Dirty Dozen Pigeon Forge Rod Run. Check it out. It's a Ford Ranger that was turned into a Bronco. Very, very cool. Shot a feature on it in Detroit. It's a cool roadster. I like the color of it. Look how they got the bugle pipe going down the side of that one. These are the indoor cars, although I cheated on the intro and used it twice. Sorry. I didn't on the rest of the video. The rest of the video is all fresh video. Ricky Bobby's car. Everybody loves Ricky Bobby. I love Ricky Bobby. How can you not love Ricky Bobby? And I shot a feature on that car. Gorgeous car. And I didn't know the motor didn't match until the end of it, guys, but it's still a cool car. You'll have to check it out. 1930 Speedster. Yeah, there was a sign on it, and actually it's painted on the side of it. I hope I've got it right. But it's a cool old hot rod. Amongst the ones that were displayed there in the builder showcase. And a 68 Camaro. Got a feature coming up on that car. Oh, it's a 68, first generation. I do have a feature, so I know that much about it. Good looking car with some really cool techno features on it I think y'all are gonna like. Got a feature on that. Classic Restorations of Southern Indiana, my boy Dustin. His latest build out of the Classic Restorations Corral, as he put it. Another Mustang, but nicely done. Cool car, cool stance. Got a feature on it. I think you're going to like that. Driftwood caught up with the owner of this hot rod. Grade 8 winning from Detroit. And got a feature coming on this one too. Cool car for sure. And the owner. Just a really, really nice guy. I think y'all are going to like that. I know y'all are going to like that one. Got a feature on this one too. Like a 50-something Suburban. Nicely done. Not as many cars indoors as there was every other year. Oh yeah, we got the Nichols Paint and Fab Riviera feature coming up too. Not sure when. Close, soon. Don't miss it when it does. That's a very cool car. But, hey, everything was down. And the fact is, NSRA had the show, so what can you say? They did it. I like it. I applaud them. And I really appreciate that. They went on with it. And I think a lot of people, the people that attended, I think had a good time. I know I did. Correct Design Mustang. I think I shot this one at Columbus. You can see a feature on it at ScottieDTV.com. Use the search feature, make it much easier for you to find. Cool car though. They're all cool cars here at the 2020 NSRA Street Rod Nationals in Louisville, Kentucky. Some of this was shot on Wednesday and some of this was shot on Thursday, so don't let the crowd be your representation of what you thought the turnout was. It was a good time. I hope y'all enjoyed the video from the 2020 NSRA Street Rod Nationals, Louisville, Kentucky. Hope y'all enjoyed it. See ya!
Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.